students, this is the fourth part of our second semester's second course, and that is the hazards of food coloring. So open your page number 38. On this page number, third paragraph. Now listen carefully. Food coloring may be natural or artificial. Artificial, it means synthetic. So what is the meaning of synthetic? Use chemicals together. Food coloring may be natural or artificial. Artificial, it means synthetic. Synthetic, it means those colors, food color. Food color, it means the color which we use in our daily food, which we eat. So artificial, it means synthetic. In synthetic colors there could be the chemical used, and natural color, it means that color is taken naturally from the fruits or trees. Natural coloring agents. Agents, it means the thing that takes an active role or produces desired effects or desired or specified effects. Coloring agents are derived from fruits and vegetables. So natural coloring agents, it means natural coloring things. These were got from fruits and vegetables. In some cases from animals and insects. In some cases, the natural food colors are taken from the animals and from insects. Examples of natural color dyes are annatto. Annatto, it means reddish orange color. Chlorophyllene, this is the green color. Paprika, red color. Turmeric, yellow color. Butterfly pea, blue color. Artificial dyes are chemically synthesized. So artificial color, these are chemically synthesized. It means there is a chemically processed done on those colors, artificial color. Usually from organic compounds such as hydrocarbons of petroleum. So these are organic, chemical used colors. These are artificial color. Particularly there is used hydrocarbons of petroleum. Some common synthetic dyes are brilliant blue, FCF blue. So there is one common synthetic chemical used dye or color is brilliant blue, that is FCF blue also called. Erythrocene, this is the pink but synthetic color. Tartrazine, this is the yellow but synthetic color. And sunset yellow, this is orange color but it is also synthetic chemical used color. When preparing food, coloring agents are used either by themselves or in various combination of natural and synthetic colors. So whenever we prepare our food, that time these color agents, these color aspects, things, these are used either by themselves or various combination of natural and synthetic color used in those foods. Next paragraph. Given the prevalence it means being widespread. Given the prevalence of coloring agents in the food we consume it means eat. Eat or drink. Food or consume. Given the prevalence of coloring agents in the food we consume. So whatever we consume, eat or drink, in that which agents, which things of color added, that information is given below. We ought to be aware of ways these substances affect us. So these coloring substances, these coloring parts in any food, what kind of effect of those colors happen or occur on our body, that we should know, we should be aware about it. Studies have demonstrated means to prove that adverse it means worst or very bad of synthetic dyes. So there is lot of study done on food coloring, and according to that study, these synthetic colors are very dangerous for human body. They are having a very bad worst effect on our body. Many countries have banned certain dyes and officially allow only a few select synthetic dyes to be used in food. So, according to this extract, there are many countries in this world, those countries banned all these food coloring adding in the food. But there are particularly few colors they have permitted, allowed to use in food. However, regulation it means rules and directions made and maintained by an authority. Regulations are often select synthetic dyes to be used in food. However, regulations are often difficult to enforce. Enforce it means to make force or force, especially in countries like India. So particularly in India, especially the country like India, there are few rules and regulations, directions made for these food coloring, but it is very difficult to enforce the owner of food restaurants or any other owner which provide food or produces food. It is very difficult to force them to less the color in there, to make less use of color in their food, especially in the countries like India. Even permitted artificial coloring is known to have many undesirable effects. And even in countries like India, there are few colors permitted to add in foods, but those colors are also very difficult, having bad effect on human bodies. They can cause problem in pregnancy and lead to birth defect. So these colors could be problematic for the pregnancy, for that those women's newborn child, that is very dangerous for them. They have been known to cause allergy reaction, hyperactivity, behavioral problem and organ damage. So particularly in pregnancy, newly born birth, and allergic reaction, hyperactivity, behavioral problem, and organ damage. All these effects could be done by these synthetic chemical used food colors. Researchers have also associated coloring agents with asthma, insomnia, want of sleep, nervous disorders. Nervous, it means related to brain. Nervous disorder, and say that they might pose other long-term health risks. So many researchers associated these food color with many dangerous diseases also. For example, asthma agents and insomnia. It means that person will have some problem in his sleeping. Nervous disorder, some mental problem. All these kind of long-term health risk could happen with these food colorings. Some dyes are even believed to be carcinogenic. Carcinogenic, it means carcinogenic. It means any substance that produces cancer, meaning they contain cancer causing agents. So particularly this food color also very dangerous cause for cancer. If any person is continuously eating these food coloring, so that person definitely will face cancer in his life. One must remember that artificial coloring agents do not occur naturally but are man-made chemical compounds. So you should know that artificial color, these colors are made by color, they are not man-made, they are chemical used. Since food coloring is mostly found in junk food and other products consumed primarily by children and young adults, so this age group is the greatest risk. So these food color, particularly adding junk food. Junk food, it means which food we eat on the road, that is made on the road or in the packet we get that and eat that. Those are junk food, and particularly those foods are very dangerous for all these kind of diseases which we have mentioned here or learned here. And particularly this junk food eats children and little bit adult people, and in those people's life you could face many problem of this kind of diseases. In short, food coloring does not serve any proper purpose apart from cosmetic, cosmetically enhancing the appearance of food while causing harm to our bodies. So these food colors are only cosmetic. It means it enhance, grow the beauty of that food, and after watching that beautiful food, people want to eat that food. But that color, that artificial cosmetic, that beauty, that is very harmful for our body. So students, in this way this part ends here. We are going to stop here. Have a good day to all of you. Thank you very much.